Hey guys, so if you want to see how I created this look using the new Revolution Violet palette, just keep on watching. Righty then, so I have concealed my eyelids and here is the palette itself. And inside of the palette, I'm going to use the shade Conjure to set my eyelids. Oh, I like that shade. That is a nice shade, I can't deny it. Okay, because there's quite a lot of brown in this palette, like there is quite a bit of brown in this palette. So I'm going to try and, from this point onwards, I'm going to do my best to stay away from as much brown as possible. So I'm going to use the shade Desired. And I'm going to put that... Oh, wow. I'm just blending that out with that Conjure shade again, like just over top of it. That purple is bright, like now I'm going to go in with Mulberry. And then, what am I going to use? Okay, and then I'm going to use Amethyst up here in the corner. What I'm doing is just stamping the leftover shadow into the corner just to deepen the outer V a little bit. Don't do it too hard though. I don't know if it's good for the skin. Wow. Okay, so I'm going to clean up the edges, put on some eyeliner and some mascara. Let me do the lower lash line now. I'm going to take Forsaken and Mulberry. And then I'm gonna go clean up the rest of it, put on my eyeliner, my mascara, and I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. Now I absolutely love the way that this turned out. In my inner corner I have used another highlight. The only highlighting colour would have been Amethyst, but I've used that all over my eyelids, so I didn't want to use it again. So I used a pink highlight from elsewhere on the inner corner. But aside from that, everything else is the palette, and I absolutely adore the way that this came out. As I said yesterday in my review, I feel like if you love purple, this is a great palette to go for. Like if you like purple, go for this palette. It's what, $8.99 from Tam Beauty, or if you live in the UK, you can get it on Tam Beauty or Superdrug. And you know I always get my Tam Beauty stuff from Superdrug because of the free shipping. And if you wanted to get, say for example, the Kylie purple palette, I know that that was ages ago, but let's say for example that you missed out on it, or you just didn't want to pay that coin, or whatever the situation is, you just wanted an affordable alternative, I feel like this is an amazing palette. I really do. I feel like I'm just speechless. I'm just so speechless. Anyway, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.